Good night. My name is Feliz Andrés Ramón Nieto. Did you spend much money on your last trip? What is unfair amount? Yes, I I spent a lot of money seeing and visit the Amazon and it has wide attractivities. Did you go seasonal on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visit? Eh, when and my honeymoon, me, I went to the Amazonas and visit Puerto Nariño, very beautiful. What are the most busy places are tours stand in your city? In Tauramena, Casanare, in your in tourist of the Sambor Lagoon, the White Dead of Cacique Hill, and the Lagoon Juncal. What is the most incredibly active you did on your trip? What did you do? Is sleeping was in street. It was a Monica night. You can watch the stars. What are the best twins that have happened to you on trip? Mention two. I got my good experiments on the snowing, the set, and riding and planet. Thanks.